Let's clean this tile floor in some minutes without any hassle. Have you been trying to clean your tiles, your floor, the walls of your toilet or anywhere, bathtub, okay, your toilet, and you've been having stubborn stains like the ones you're seeing? Okay, so stay tuned and watch me make a solution that is going to work. Okay, so this is me just pouring the solution that was made on this tile, and trust me, I didn't have time to do enough scrubbing that I would want to do because this period I've been so busy. Okay, so I just soaked this for some minutes, about 20 to 25 minutes, and this is what the result was at the end of the day. Okay, so let's get into this video. Hello, my name is Igor the Messy Sofa, and I'm glad to be back to this channel. I'm so sorry I've been missing in action. Would that story ever come up? I do not know, but I am glad to be back for sure. I appreciate all of you guys that have come to ask what's going on, why are you not posting on your YouTube channel, is everything okay with you, where have you been? Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. And if you're new to this channel, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family, join this little community, and become part of us, basically. Okay, so I'll be making this toilet wash. It's also a toilet wash, it's a towel cleaner. Okay, I'm making this for a client actually. Okay, and the recipe will be given to my community. I would be starting up a new community on WhatsApp. Okay, and that is where I will be posting this recipe. It's so effective, very effective, and we have about 5 ingredients that was used in this production. Okay, so yeah, it's very effective. It didn't even take me time to get those things out of the floor. So it can be used for the floor, it can be used for the toilet, as I have said, okay, to remove very stubborn stains. Okay, so yeah, this solution is a very acidic solution, and well, because we have hydrochloric acid in this solution. Okay, and we have some other raw materials that help with the cleansing, of the house, okay, of your tiles. Okay, so this recipe will be available for my paid community. It's going to be a paid community that would be coming up very soon. Okay, if you want this recipe, you can come to my WhatsApp and you can pay for this recipe. It's going to be available for sale. Trust me. You can use this for home use. You can use it for a gift set. You can gift family and friends. You can sell if you want to start up a business. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'm so happy to be back here with you guys. I'm so glad. I just want to take this time to talk about the new year of this year. I'd come out to talk about the things and the plans that I was going to bring out for the year. Okay, but as God will have it, there were different plans that took place eventually. Ton of events, basically. Okay, we plan and God has his own bigger plans. So yeah, Would that stop me from New Year resolutions and making plans for other things? Definitely not. Definitely not. As man, we will continue to plan. And if God has better things for us, why not? Why not? Okay. I don't have any regrets about my year. So far, so good. I am in a good place. I am in a great place, with things that I have achieved. So far, so good. Which I will talk about much later, not now. But yeah, I know that for my YouTube channel, I have kept you guys in the dark, and with my recipes, with posting of videos. I'm so sorry, because I know I have a lot of people that depend on me, that come and draw inspiration from what I post here, and I'm so sorry, but we are back. Okay, I will try. I'm not going to promise. I will try to drop videos weekly. Okay, I'll try because the year is winding down. Okay, but we are not going to be having any 30 days of Christmas. Well, we won't be doing that, but hopefully I'll be posting Christmas soaps that I'll be making. Okay, and hopefully other videos that I would be interested in making. And if you have any videos you would want us to make for you, or any soaps, videos, whatever content you want us to create, please comment below this video. Please like this video, share, subscribe, comment. Okay, so the algorithm will push this video out there to other people, so they know that Ego the Messy Sopa is back in town. So guys, I'm so excited. I know it's the end of the year, like I just disappeared without a word, but I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm fine, and I hope you guys are all okay. Like, if YouTube was a place I could reach out to people on their own, maybe DMs, like just to find out how you guys are doing, because I know the people that comment on my channel, I think about you guys a lot, and I know that a lot of people would be thinking about me and would be worried about me. I'm here, I'm fine, I'm good, and I hope you guys are okay, and I hope this video makes you guys well. Okay, so yeah, I'm back, and I will be posting videos where I will be teaching and showing you soaps that I make, that make me happy and make my customers and my clients happy. Okay, this tile cleaner and toilet wash is ready. If you are looking to make in bulk and you don't want to go through the hassle, please reach out to me. I'll make it for you. I'll take that stress off you. Okay, that's what I do for a living. Okay, although I don't make home cleaning stuff, I do body bar soaps. So yeah, if you want that for your gift sets, if you want that for your hampers, for Christmas, for your company, please reach out to me. Okay, so guys, this is where I draw the curtain for today. Happy soaping, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.